Hey channel, welcome back to my guys.
मेरे बहन ही नहीं हो यार।
Oh, I just tried to look cool there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Riddhi Dhamija and today I'm going to do a Cooves haul. Actually, we are going to do a Cooves haul. So if you're already following me on Instagram, then I'm sure that you know who he is. But if you're new here, then he is my younger brother and
Hi guys, I'm Pratham.
he's my younger brother and today we both are going to do a Cooves haul. Now I shopped a little bit from Cooves. Actually इतना नहीं है मेरा सामान, but he shopped a lot from Cooves. So I thought that I should make a video where I'm showing women's wear and men's wear both, since we both ordered. So this video will be useful for I guess everyone. And yep, that's it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we get into this video, I would like to share something related to shipping and everything. So I ordered separately and he ordered separately. मैंने one go में order किया and इसने 3 orders में order किया and मेरा online payment था and इसका COD था. हम दोनों के order में जो items है cancel हुई काफ़ी. Like इसकी 2 shirts cancel हुई थी and मेरी 3 टॉप एंड 1 हील कैंसिल हुआ था एंड इट गेट्स डिसहार्टनिंग बिकॉज यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग एंड देन इट गेट्स कैंसल्ड. बट मैंने ऑनलाइन पे किया था एंड आफ्टर 2 days आई गॉट अ मेल सेइंग दैट सॉरी वी हैव टू कैंसिल दीज आइटम्स, प्रोबेबली आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया होगा. तो इमीजिएटली आई गॉट माई रिफंड, बट सिंस इसका COD था तो वो तो चक्कर ही नहीं था मनी का. एनीवे शिपिंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा फास्ट थी. लाइक आई गेस 3-4 days में आ गया था.
हाँ इतने ही लगे थे.
3-4-5 days maximum. So shipping is like bang on. I love their shipping ka speed. And yeah, that's it. Now let's get started. By the way, if you're a guy and you're not interested to see what I bought, then you can hit this timestamp and you can directly go and watch his haul. So yep, now let's get started. So the first thing that I shopped are these heels, and guys, as soon as I saw these heels, मेरा तो दिल आ गया था इन पे. And guys, these are so cheap. By the way, I'm going to mention all the prices here. They had this amazing sale going on, and I guess वो अभी भी चल रही है. These heels, in fact, everything was already at a very nice discount. They were already discounted 60, 70, 80% off. And उसके बाद भी you could apply this coupon code, and उसके बाद further discount मिल रहा था, which was crazy. Like I guess I got these heels for like around 400 to 500. I'm going to mention the price here, which is like crazy. And just look at this fur detailing and these straps, and I mean I love these. And also these heels are so comfortable. They have this like cushion sort of sole, and these are so comfortable. मतलब मेरे पास एक ही heel है जो इतनी comfortable है, which is from Steve Madden, and I got it for like 13,000 rupees, and these are for like 500, which is like crazy. These are super comfortable. Despite the fact that ये block heel नहीं है and वो block heel है, these heels are really comfortable. तो the next item is this. I don't know what do you call them. ये heel नहीं है, flat नहीं है. I don't know ये क्या ही बोलते हैं इसको. I don't know where I will wear these. But अगर ये college में जा रही होती तो ये मैं daily पहनती college shoes. They look so cute. मैंने अभी तक पहन के ही नहीं देखा, तो I don't know about the comfort level, but these are so cute. You guys can see. So the next item is this, like these heels, and honestly this is not my style and I don't like them. So why I got them was because whenever I have to go for any wedding or any related function, I don't have any footwear to wear, क्योंकि मैं लेती ही नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पसंद ही नहीं है. तो जो भी मेरे मॉम के होते हैं वो फ्लैट्स होते हैं, I don't like wearing flats. I hate wearing flats. I hate wearing flats. So that's why I ordered these. ये जो सेल चल रही थी उनकी वेबसाइट पे बहुत ही क्लियरली मेंशन था कि you cannot return the items. They will not accept return. But if you see closely here, तो ये जो rhinestone है ये उतरा हुआ है. And मतलब ठीक है, even though I paid like 400-500 for this, but this is not something which is acceptable. तो I don't know, मतलब हाँ यहाँ से भी उतरा हुआ. If you see from here, and ऐसा काफ़ी जगह पे है, but these heels are also like comfortable. They also have this cushion sort of sole. So yep, wedding purpose के लिए, but this is not my style. These are the last pair of heels, guys, and I just love these because they also have this cushion sole and there's this snake print going on, and I really like the material. They have this snake, ये जो snake design होता है ना, ये वो भी है इस पे, and I really like these. Super chic, super cute, and yep, that's it. I don't know what else to say, but these are also really comfortable. But the ones I showed you, सबसे पहले वो तो उसका comfort level तो next level है. So yep, these are the footwears. Now I'm going to show you clothing items. So the first top is this. I mean, look at this. It is super cute, so retro, and I love the material. And I got it for like 300 or something rupees, है ना? I mean, the quality is so bang on. This satin sort of quality. You guys can already see that this shiny material. And then they have this elastic here to cinch your waist, so it gets cinched on your waist. And yeah, I really like it. I really like it. The next top I got is this. It has this animal print going on all over along with the chain print. बहुत ही basic तो नहीं, लेकिन बहुत ही normal सा, nothing out of the box. It has this little cutout here neck पे, and then it has this strings here so that you can tie it up. And then again they have this elastic on the waist. बहुत ही जो breathable सा material होता है ना, बिल्कुल perfect for summer. I really like it. So the last thing is this dress, and I really like the print on this dress. Guys, I got it for 360 rupees, which is crazy. 360 for a dress like this. I mean, I have a top of similar print that I got from Shein. It's a crop top, and I got it for 1500 or something, and this is for like 360. Are you kidding me? Turtleneck sort of style. Plus I really like the back. So the back is open, so you know, and they have double layers, so I don't think you need to wear any inner under this because of its back. It's really nice. And if you're not comfortable showing off your bare back, then obviously you can wear a bralette underneath. Already worn this dress twice, and I really love it. So with this we are done with my haul, like women's wear haul, and now we are going to start with men's wear. And इसने तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही शॉप किया है, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है तूने पूरा साल का शॉप कर लिया है. ये वैसे भी कपड़े बहुत कम लेता है, तो ये इतने कपड़े मेरे को लग रहा है इसका पूरा साल निकल जाएगा इनमें. तो let's get started.
So guys, it's my first time like pulling off like floral print. I'm not really into floral prints, but
this is not a floral print. This is tropical print. But yeah, like
it's got a nice tropical vibe to it.
They get your point.
हाँ, और इसका
मतलब
material
इसको मैं बहुत बोलती थी फ्लोरल प्रिंट के लिए. मैं सरोजिनी नगर गई थी and I took him along, and there was this really nice floral shirt जो उसको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई.
I had that fear that I could not pull off a floral shirt.
Yeah, but so now I think थोड़ा इसमें हिम्मत करके मंगवा ली. And like guys, if you look at the print, I really like the print. गोवा के लिए perfect. पता नहीं कभी जा पाएंगे अब तो.
So guys, this is the next shirt. It's a full sleeve shirt.
All the shirts that he got वो सब half sleeves है, and he didn't want to buy this because of full sleeves, but I really liked the color and the print. I really liked it, and I forced him. But तू नहीं ले रहा था. और ये जब shipment में भी था ना, ये जब transit में भी था, he was like कि cancel करा देते हैं, इसका मन नहीं था, but I really forced him to buy this one, and he is really satisfied. So maybe probably we get it altered, but I think it's fine. मतलब full sleeves is also fine.
हाँ, full sleeve तो मेरे को satisfied हुआ.
Yeah.
So guys, the next shirt is this shirt. It is
and I'm going to attach a picture here when you wear it.
It is sort of a like semi oversized shirt, I guess. Like I'm not really into oversized shirts because I think that
body बना रहा है.
हाँ, body बना रहा हूँ तो मेरे को थोड़ा लगता है कि थोड़ी कम sleeves हो. हाँ, तो main reason वही रहता है. पर जब मैंने try करके देखा तो मेरे को अच्छी लगी ये shirt. Honestly.
And it has this thing here नीचे. Plus it has hardcore written all over it.
मैं notice ही नहीं किया.
देखो,
मेरे को लगा कुछ लिखा हुआ बस.
Cringy लग रहा था. It's so funky, and I think I'm going to style all of his clothes because ये मैंने साथ बैठ के लिए है. and I already have this.
इनका मेन थॉट तो ये रहता है कि इनको भी आ जाए।
तो हमारे फैमिली में 4 लोग हैं, मेरे को चारों के कपड़े आते हैं, तो मेरे पास बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं। तो मेरे दिमाग में ऑलरेडी पिक्चर भी आ रखी है कि हाउ आई वुड स्टाइल दिस।
सो अगली शर्ट वही है जो मेरे को अच्छी नहीं लगी। This sort of like newspaper material, I guess.
Material थोड़ी
newspaper print. हाँ, newspaper print, I guess.
But I think it's really funky and really cool. Like basic कपड़े तो हर कोई पहनता है ना।
हाँ, the print is really nice, but I didn't like the fitting of it. Main मेरा issue वही था।
He was telling कि he didn't like the fitting. Plus
और material भी मेरे को उतना मतलब।
Yeah, the material is like तो मटेरियल नॉलेज पुअर है ना, हमारी मम्मी को बुला के जरा बत पूछते हैं कि सारे थोड़े मुझे ये तो पता है ये तो हौजरी होता है। हाँ। बाकी का थोड़ा मेरा है थोड़ा कच्चा पक्का, वो तो हौजरी है।
लाइक आउट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज माय लीस्ट फेवरेट।
हाँ, बट नॉट बैड एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट वन एंड आई रियली लाइक इट।
दिस इज द नेक्स्ट वन एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दिस वाज द फर्स्ट शर्ट आई हैव प्लेस्ड इन द बैग। और दीदी ने बहुत मेरे को फोर्स किया था ये शर्ट।
यार ये बहुत कूल है। मतलब
मेरे को खुद लगी थी, पर आपने फोर्स बहुत किया था।
बटन्स ये बंद नहीं हो रहे, तो मतलब इतना वैसे पिक्चर तो हम अटैच कर ही देंगे तो पता चल जाएगा। It has this yellow pockets here which looks really nice and the material is also nice and this print, this is not camouflage print but it looks like that.
हाँ, नहीं कैमोफ्लेज प्रिंट है।
नहीं, बट कैमोफ्लेज प्रिंट तो वो प्रॉपर आर्मी प्रिंट होता है। ये लग रहा है वैसा, बट ये वैसा है नहीं। इट इज लाइक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रिंट। द मटेरियल इज अगेन रियली नाइस। मतलब 400, 300, 500 में ये नहीं मिलता है यार। I would easily pay 1500 to 2000 for this shirt if I had to gift it to him. और मैं मॉल जाऊँ और ये 1500 to 2000 की, तो मैं बिल्कुल आंख बंद करके ले लेती because I really like it. And this is my favorite and his favorite. मतलब इतना प्रिंट वाइज फेवरेट नहीं बट फिटिंग तो oh my god, मेरा भाई हॉट लग रहा था इसमें।
So ये शर्ट है, मेरे को ये शर्ट मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट है क्योंकि बहुत ही सूदिंग वाइब आती है इससे, बहुत ही कूल टोन है इसकी। और मेरे को पिंक कलर तो मेरे को पिंक कलर मेरे को ऑनेस्टली मेरे को काफी अच्छा लगता है ये स्पेसिफिक कलर।
हाँ, दिस इज नॉट पिंक पिंक, दिस इज पीची पिंक। हाँ, द मटेरियल इज लाइक वो हॉजरी टी शर्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ मटेरियल होता है ना, थोड़ा नॉट एग्जैक्टली हॉजरी बट द टी शर्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ मटेरियल। दिस इज नॉट कॉटन, इट एक्चुअली व्हेन ही वेयर्स इट हग्स हिज बॉडी। वो होता है ना पूरा प्रॉपर बॉडी शेप ले लेती है
फिटिंग आउट ऑफ
बिकॉज ऑफ द मटेरियल, बिकॉज इसकी बॉडी शेप ले ली है जो ये पूरे प्रॉपर डोले वोले बना रहा है, तो वो स्ट्रेच हो जाता है ना मटेरियल, वो पूरी शेप ले लेता है। तो इसकी फिटिंग बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी थी। एंड जस्ट लुक एट दिस पिक्चर, ही लुक्स सो हॉट। मतलब मेरे को अपना भाई ये मेरे सामने बड़ा हुआ, मेरा क्यूट सा भाई, मेरा भाई कभी मुझे ऐसे हॉट लगेगा, मेरे को नहीं लगा था। तो मैं आई फील सो प्राउड, मतलब बड़ा हो रहा है, इतना सुंदर लगने लग गया है। सुंदर लड़के भी लगते हैं सुंदर यार, सुंदर ये तो लड़कियां थोड़ी होती। सुंदर मतलब सुंदर भाई। Guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video then do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. If you're a guy then share it with your guy friends and girlfriends as well. मतलब सबको बताओ जाके कि इस वीडियो में हमने कवर किया है बहुत कुछ। एंड yeah, that's it. Do follow us on our Instagram. We post some really cool pictures there. This is his handle and this is my handle, and I'm sure that you won't regret subscribing to this channel and following us on Instagram. I'm going to see you in my next video, which is going to be Zara and H&M haul, and you girls will love it. And yeah, that's it. See you in my next video. Bye. ये बात तो भी बोल दे, सब्सक्राइब करो।
सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल गाइस, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं।
Oh, मेरा भाई। Bye.